And see what he doing with the okay, so he making so this is what he's done so far with the dirt. I want to take some of this plastic stuff out of here. I gotta get this. It's just everything is a process for me because I'm funny style and I don't like seeing certain things, and so it will tear my nerves up. So I'm gonna have to go get this plastic. He's talking too much on the phone, too much breaks. But yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get some of this plastic out of here and open this space up just a little bit more. I want it to be opened up just a little bit more. So let me go get my shovel. But it's looking good, especially with this soil. And then just put the pineapples in it. Gotta get the pineapples and get the water going, water them. And just I'm gonna open this space up, and then I'm gonna put something around the space. Alright, let me try to work on that, y'all, while he's doing what he's doing to get this done. Alright. Good morning, y'all. So we had to come with the plumber this morning to get some pipes. So that's where we're at, getting the pipes to finish the work. So we're at, I don't know, yeah, anyway. So we're here this morning in CASHAPP. At the plumbing store. And I bought, let me see what I bought. Oh, it's so hot already. Jesus. So I just bought some pipes and some glue. Oh. Yeah. Looking at the receipt. Alright, but I'll put it in the description anyway. I wanted to see it. So, but yeah. So this is where we at. See the pipes next to me in the car. They putting it in the car, so you got to be a little crunched up. That's fine because it's saving money instead of taking a truck, because from a truck from here, I think all the way to where we're going, I think they would charge us 400 CDs. Yeah. So that same 400 can go towards a door or something else that I need. Penny pension, y'all. Oh my God. Where we at? You're figuring it out in the back. This place is always so busy. I'm showing y'all. About to get ready to go.
I'm going to see one. What was the dog? Shopping at card number two. Shopping, just imagine. Shopping, I can't use this. Now we experience my man and number. and the crap.
They are bad. That's your go.
Somebody need. Hey. Whew. Let me come back. So the plumber's here. So they did the pillars last night. Look at that. Pillars are done. Up and done. Let me walk around. Okay. So got the piping down there. I gotta get up there, but I need a ladder. I ain't crawling up there. And that's exactly, if I went up, I would have to crawl. And I can't crawl. Oh, what's that? I need to go ask questions. Let's go. Okay. So, like good morning. Morning. I'm good. How are you? So. Oh, you put the window in already.
Yes.
I bought the mesh. You got it?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, man, wait. You better know.
What y'all burning? Oh, he's finna cook something? Have to cook something.
No, listen this.
Oh, for that. I needed to get a lighter.
That is why he was asking for that. No problem. I want to go US.
Y'all, look who was coming over here again, and we had to run him away. I love seeing them. I do. If I can afford it, I'll get me some dang cows. I love animals. Look, they running away. They was on their way this way, and he moved and he talked to the driver, talked to the guy, and so he took them away. So I'm catching them on the tail end, but I'm finna walk to them because I like seeing them. I wish I could touch them. But so quietly they bring them over here to graze on people's land. Look, they running. Wait, let me zoom in so y'all can see. I should have got a bag, get some of this poop. Look at him over there. Did anybody ever say why y'all think that you always see the white birds following the cows? Oh, somebody over here cutting down stuff. I know I heard something over here. They over here cutting down. Oh, they're cleaning off the land over here. Wow. See, that's what I need. Somebody to come cut my damn land. Now, look how clean they cut that. You can see through there now. See, they're using regular manpower. Look how you can see through there. Hi! I'm okay. How are you? I'm looking for some poop. Looking for some poop. Huh?
Buy cow something and put for your house inside.
You said buy some?
Yeah.
All this free poop?
Oh.
Hey, look all this free poop. They already, well, you said it wasn't you, but they already done ate my plants up so they could give me some free poop.
I will give you nice something.
Okay.
The cow. I will give you form before put your house inside.
For the cow.
Like cow. Buy something here.
You selling these cows?
Yes.
Oh gosh, that's too much. I can't afford it. How much for one cow?
So you like small, you like big one?
Well, I would have to start with a small one.
You like small one?
Yeah.
So
I know somebody else who might want it. That's why I'm asking.
Okay.
How much would a small cow be?
1,000 or 2,000. Yes.
For a small cow. Hello.
Madam, they will teach you.
Yes. Okay. Okay. I was looking for you.
Madam, they will teach
So you said 1 to 2,000 for one, the baby one,
Yes.
and the big one? Huh?
This is like small one.
Yeah.
Small one. You go have this on 500 or 600.
Really?
Yeah.
I can have 2 cows.
Yes.
Ah! What you say? And what I have to do with them? Where am I put it? I have to create a space for them to leave them in the yard.
Yeah. Yeah.
What you say? I want it. Oh, I want to pet it.
Yes. This is the old man.
It's an old man.
Yes. This is the woman.
It's old.
Yes.
So what y'all do? What y'all sell them for food when they get too old?
Like food or tea?
No, what y'all cut them up, sell them to the butcher to eat
Eh.
when they get old?
For your house?
No, for you.
For me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, no worry. Go feed buy. I go put for my own.
No, I mean
Eh.
when they old
Yes.
and they die,
Yes.
you sell them.
If he die, I go sell. If he die, I see the time he die, I go kill him. If he die, I no kill him. I no go fi sell him. I go throw him. Yes.
And then you sell them for the
Yes.
meat.
See you, nice. See.
I want a cow. You know what? Wait a minute. Did y'all hear the prices on the cows? What you say? 500 CDs for a cow, a baby cow. Yes, I can get a cow. We all can get a cow. We can all get a cow. If y'all want a cow, he gave me his phone number. So he said, when I'm ready, if anybody want a cow, let him know. So for the small ones, he said 500 to 1,000 CDs. And then I guess for the big ones, to be like, 1,000 up CDs. What you say? Oh, I want a cow. Let's see, I need to get her to come over here and do some reading. That part. Madam! Let me go and see what she over here doing. Look, I'm nosy. Look what the cows is going, y'all. So y'all heard those prices, y'all. Y'all ain't if you want. Look at that. And then they got these guys cleaning the land off over here. What is this? Do I say IA? How are you? Let me ask you a question. I'm walking back up this hill. It was easy going down. Walking on back up. Whew. I'm bringing a lady so that one of them can talk to her. Because I want to see if she can come and weed some of this stuff out. Because I can't do it. I'll be out of breath. Not that I'd be out of breath. And not that I can't do it. I can do it, but I just can't take the heat and being in the heat doing it for long terms. So it seems like I'm never really getting it done because I can't stay in the heat too long. But she'll be in the heat every day, all day, so this won't be anything unusual to her. Look at the land, y'all. Get her some water while we're up here. She's sweating. He's doing the pineapples. So he's taking the dirt from there and making the pineapple bed thing over there to plant the pineapples back. So that's good because look how we chopping away at the dirt. Masa. Look, the motor aboard the pipe. bought the pipe. They take everything on the bike. Everything on the bike. I guess when I tell you, if you calling for a house on the date, you'll see them riding down the road with the bike, with the house on the bike riding. They put everything on the bike. Ain't nothing you can get in Ghana and that they can't bring it to you on the motor. So the plumber's working. Putting the pipes up. My buddy over here doing this. I want to get up here, but there's no way for me to get up here for me to even see, because they got, I think the ladder is inside. The ladder's inside. But he's putting up the board to the places that he extended the pipes up. It's like, I think it was 6 of them. This is one. It was one. So there's that one. This one. This one. The one on the corner over there. Hey. Okay. This so that one and these on this side that they put up. So you put them all up. I just can't see. Can't see in the house. Wait, maybe I can step on this rock. Can't see. I know he's working over there. But I can't see. Yeah, it's over there because I see the pipes on the ground. Could y'all see it? Let me zoom in. Pipes over there in the ground. So he over there working, but I can't. I need it. And you look, y'all see over there in the corner? That's the ladder. Let me see if I can get one of them. Get the ladder. Because I didn't even, haven't even gone in there since they actually took the wood off of the columns. To see what the columns came out on the inside. I can see what they look like on the outside. Yeah. For the ones that they took off, that one, they put that one. This one, they put, so, you know. They put this one, they got to fix that one. And they have to do this one. You know. So I think he has to move this pipe and move it over. And then yeah, there you go. Oh, let me get the key. You got the key, Uncle John? I will get it. I'll get it. I'll get it. Go ahead, Kofi. I'm going to start the generator, turn the water on. So we turned on the pump. Let me see. I gotta turn it on. The pump. So pipe and moving it over. Alright, let him do what he's doing. I'm over here trying to get four even sticks so I can make me my little thing I'm over here trying to make to cover my pineapples. So let me find some sticks. I'm fixing that. I was trying to video, but I couldn't. So my neighbor that lives on the other side, he's Ghanaian, but he's Ghanaian, and whatever. I can't get it right. I can only say that thing to save my life. But he's from, I was born and raised in Ghana, but he was living in the States for a long time. And so he came back and he built his house. And so I met him. So he just came by and bought, I guess a neighbor or whatever. He'd be so happy, you know, he'd be like, oh, nice American lady, wanted you to meet her. So apparently the lady came to visit him and he wanted her to come and meet me because she bought land here. She's from Ghana too. She bought land and her father is the owner, the original, like I guess the big owner for all of this land here. And he brought her here to meet me. So I was like, that was nice. You know, he thought that much. I was like, oh, okay. So she came. They was here with me for like an hour. You know, she was just looking at the land and saying how it was nice and just, you know, giving me some other information that, you know, wasn't sure about. And she's talking about the land, the roads, because obviously she's moving here as well. So I guess it's a concern for her because she was like, everybody have cars and we need to figure out how we're going to get these roads fixed. So I was glad to hear that. And then she was like, her father is the big guy. So I don't know, the big chief, or I don't know, the family head or something like that. I don't know. So anyway, she was like, well, we can go talk to my father. Now, that's when she stopped me right in my tracks right there. I ain't trying to go sit with nobody, chief. I ain't trying to sit with none of that. I was trying to talk, I mean, I know if she living here, that's fine. We talk to the people who live in here, but I'm not going sitting up in nobody palaces and homes and all that and talking to no chief, making no, I ain't doing all of that. Because then that's a whole nother thing. So I was just looking at it. I was like, oh, you know, she's like, yes, it's my father. Okay. Well, if you want to go talk to your father on your behalf, let me talk to the people who live in this community. I ain't doing all that. It's not, no, because I've been through that already, and I'm not willing to go through that again. But anyway, yeah, so that's what I was doing. So now I'm coming on back to the land. Y'all see them yams, the land with the tree? Don't put the trees up with the yams going up. It looks cute at the entryway. If, you know, if it was done better than that, but it's what we got for right now. Yeah, so I'm coming on back on the land. The plumber left, so he finished all his work. Let me go over here and check and see what he got. You know, everything he done. All right. Okay, so there's been a lot of excitement here for me. I ain't put everything on the camera, but it was a lot of excitement. So, all right. I would have, you know, thought we'd have got a little bit further than this, but we didn't. So this is what we did for the day. And I don't know how long these pineapples can stay here drying out, but this is all we did. And I get it. It's a lot because you have to dig the dirt, take it from over there to here. So we only got halfway on this. I put the sticks up, so I'm gonna put a screen, like a mesh, around just the, you know, the pineapple area right here. For right now, I'll just leave one door open to come in, so it'll be this all here. I'm gonna clean this, and just this will be my little pineapple farm for right now. Well, for a year or however long it takes. And yeah, the fence is there. This will be my pineapple stuff. I don't know. Depending on how many pineapples I might get, then it may become bigger than this. And I'll just move it over to the side because the fence is, I got plenty of room from the fence. And then I can even take behind this, clean this up, this little area right here up, and then start another, let me get back so y'all can see what I'm talking about, because I hate when somebody's saying something and I don't get it. So from here to here, from this pole to the pole over there to that, so I made 4. I'm gonna put the mesh around, so nothing is going to be right here in this area but the pineapples. So I'm thinking if I come on down over here from this pole and put another pole to probably about right here, like this right here, this could be, I'll clean this all off, and because I don't think, it's only a few mazes on this and the rest is just weeds. So clean off this little area right here, this squared off, and then I'm gonna see if I can get this tilled. I'm gonna see, till this, clean it up, fix it. If I need to put dirt, soil on it, put the soil on the top on all of this, because the fence line is there, so the wall is there. So I have the wall, and even in front I'll plan on putting coconut trees. So then as I'll line this up with the coconut trees, and then this area I'll go ahead and plant, just get it ready for planting. I'm not saying what I'm planting because I don't know, but I'll get this part right here ready for planting something. So this will be like a whole planting area. You know, I don't know, it's coming, y'all. Well, so while I'm talking about it's coming, and look, and I still got all this back here to figure out and get this dirt out of here. So y'all heard me talking to the cowman. And look, I'm coming back to that because I'm seriously thinking about getting me 2 cows for 500 CDs. Get 2 cows and put them on this land. Build a what you call it, and have 2 cows. Get a girl and a male and a female, so they can, obviously, you know, to get some production. They can have babies eventually one day, but start out with 2 small calves and have them, and raise them. Raise my 2 cows. How much I have to do? Get so much grass and stuff around here. Get them the grass, feed them, get the water thing, build a pen, put a top over it so they can have shade. They can stay there. I can get up and walk them around, you know, like he walking around. But I don't know about walking around freely. I probably have to put something on their neck and walk them, because I don't know what they be doing and what they be saying to keep them in line and going the right way. So I'll have to put something on their neck and walk them and let them eat and stuff, and then we come back so that they getting exercising and walking and do all of that. And I can just walk around just like they doing. What y'all think about that? 2 cows. I can milk the cow. Not that I don't drink milk, so I wouldn't drink the milk, but I'm just saying. 2 cows. And I would now. Yeah, I that done gave me a whole new thought. 2 cows on this farm. I still gotta think of a name to name this compound. I gotta put some names out there. And what y'all think? Give me some names, y'all, about this compound. Should I name it after Sincerely Michelle? I don't know. All right, let's think of some names, y'all. Look, I gotta keep y'all. Y'all just not gonna be watching me for free. Y'all gonna have to work to be watching this channel, because I need help. So that's an assignment. Throw some names out there so I can see what I'm gonna name this place. Get a little farm, cows and chickens and goats. And dogs and cats. That's a lot of work. I keep saying that, but I would love it. Anyway, let me go around the house real quick before we go, because they always say I'm taking too long. All right, let me see. Okay, so y'all saw that they did these pillars. I gotta find a design for the pillars as well. Let me show y'all real quick, real good, so you can see. Let me tell you what I was thinking about. So the pillars I have are square in the front. So you see how they have that, like the board around? I was thinking to get like cemented around like that and then have a little design. What y'all think? Like have it just how like they have that like there. I like that. And then put some form of design or something on it. Not sure what. But yeah, so they wind up, the plumber wind up cutting this drain right here. And I need to go back and ask him, because is he leaving it just like that? Or how's that working out? Because I told him he can leave it there to cut it. But I thought he was going to cut it low, so if any water come on the porch, it drain out. That's kind of high. So I need to ask him that question. And so it'll be like just a drain on the porch if any water get there coming down. Yeah. And then, okay, this is, they took some of the wood off. Okay. So got that, take that wood off on these sides with their, all these little pieces of wood. So right here is what happened. He had to come and fix today because it was too far apart. Okay. So here I gotta put a piece of and took off my DPC stuff. I'm gonna get another piece to put it here before they close that up. So this is what he did. I'm assuming they have to cement it, and I'm trying to let me go get him because I need to know what we is this going down, and what we doing with that, and then they will concrete fix this back. Wow. Right. Yeah. They'll fix that back. Yeah. When they cast it, but I need to know why we just left it like that. So, yeah. And then, so this one went up. This one looked a little bit shorter. So this one went up, so looks close. It's not standing straight up. They may have to chisel some of this wood on the side, or this might have to come off some of this, because a piece right there so that it can be straight and not lopsided like that. Let me see if it's just me. Y'all see it? It's leaning. We can fix that. Let's see what they say, if it's okay or not. Okay. This one they just did, because he just fixed those. And he still have, yeah. Okay. They just did that one. So they haven't to fix these. And he's sitting down. Ask him. Okay. Because I need to know. I'll be back. And two. So all the pipes is up, y'all. This is done. Did a good job. Let's see if I can sneak inside. enough. It looks good. You saw the mesh? The mesh for the window. You think we should get the door tomorrow? Yeah? Okay. Okay. I'm coming. So we bought some coconuts, so we finna crush the coconuts and drink them. So we cutting coconuts. And I always buy a bottle and a funnel so that I can have a lot. And I put it in the refrigerator and I freeze it. So we cut all of this out.
It's very big. So big.
And gonna have a little water.
Something else. With this, it will have a lot of what like lid. Bunch. I told you. Bunch. Ah, my hand. See.
And this is supposed to be 20 coconuts. We got them for 4 CDs a piece. Hey. We want to crush all of it. Remains. I hope they don't forget the generator.
No. What is happening on the road?